Welcome to the Mobile Environment, first course in your Mobile Application Developer Certificate Program. Our purpose in this course is to get an overview of mobile communication, especially the application development environment. You might notice that we start at a fairly introductory or elemental level. That's because we're taking in a broad range of topics and concepts in this first course, from handsets to networks to graphics to data, and a lot of territory in between. We'll get into much more intense detail in the coming courses. For now, it's important to get a handle on the scope of the mobile environment as well as its key issues and terminology. Another important objective for this course is to help set up your final capstone project. Over the 4 courses in this program, you will build out a working mobile application suitable for showing off your developer chops to prospective employers or partners, or even for turning loose in the marketplace if that's what you choose. Here are the key topics for the Mobile Environment course. We begin with the overall application development cycle. How do you take an idea and turn it into an app? From there, we'll dig deeper into the app development process, including application design, which involves visual design, your app's look and feel, information design, your app's flow and navigation, data design, how your app organizes, handles, and stores data. From there, we're on to application coding, the programming core of application development. You'll get a taste of coding and set up your coding environment for future courses. We'll also review the nature of the mobile network, and we'll finish with a section on testing and distributing your app once it's finished. So what will you actually do in this course? Well, you can see a list of modules and activities, as well as a course schedule on the main course page. Your job is to proceed through those activities, complete the exercise and assignments, and take special care to stay on task and stay on time. This will be your first opportunity to gain some hands-on experience with app development. It will also be a great chance for you to assemble resources, the design tools and patterns, application coding tools like software development kits, and introductions to places to meet other developers and perhaps even sell your apps. Most important, probably the most crucial thing for your success in this entire program and in your career as an application developer is your mindset or your attitude. You must cultivate a student-developer mindset. You are already a developer. You are at the student level, if you will, but you are as much a developer as anyone else, no matter their credentials or experience. This business changes fast and changes constantly. To be a success as a developer in your student role and beyond, you must create and embrace a developer mindset. A developer is proactive. For many students, the traditional student role is to sit back and wait for the course or the instructor to spoon-feed them. That will not work in mobile application development. As a developer, you always need to be reaching out, experimenting, learning, and discovering new things. As a student developer, this is a great chance to practice those habits. That's not to say the application developer program is not complete. We believe it is the premier program of its kind. But the mobile environment is simply too vast and changes too quickly for any program to encompass it all. As a student developer, your job is to find your niche within this huge opportunity, dig as deep as you can, as quickly as you can, and as proactively as you can. Whether working on projects, sharing new resources, insights and concepts, or simply making your community better, a student developer collaborates with their peers. This program will give you plenty of chances to discuss and engage with your classmates and with the larger mobile app developer community. The more you collaborate and the more you contribute, the faster you will progress. The application developer is self-reliant. App development is by nature driven by freelance, startup, and loosely connected teams. It is a very non-traditional, highly networked workspace. To succeed, you will need to create, occupy, and build your own niche. Whether it involves a coding specialty, design techniques, or something else, the app development business requires self-reliance. You may think of your time in the student developer role as a sort of virtual apprenticeship when you can hone the developer's finest creative habits and work ethic. So what will you need to deliver to be successful in this course? Well, first, For the overall program, you will create a capstone project in the form of a working mobile application. It will integrate the principles you learn in each course, and it can be used in your developer portfolio or perhaps placed in the marketplace for distribution. For this course, and for each course in the program, you will build a piece of that application. Each course project, beginning with the one for this course, will move you closer to the overall goal, a great capstone app. For this course, you will create a comprehensive plan for your capstone application. Overall, you will have 3 kinds of graded submissions for this course and each course in the App Developer program. Module challenges will count for 20% of your overall grade. They will apply knowledge from each module's lessons. In some cases, they'll integrate external research, and they'll give you the opportunity to share your findings with other developers in your cohort. They'll be graded based on the usefulness to other developers or to the marketplace. Your unit exam will count for 20% of the overall course grade. It may consist of true-false, multiple choice, or short answer questions. You may use resources, that is to say open book, to complete your exam. Your exam will test and reinforce the knowledge you have gained from lesson materials, and it will assess your ability to apply knowledge as you gain it. Finally, your course project will make up 60% of your overall grade. It will integrate the overall course material, and it will provide a roadmap for your capstone project. Enjoy the mobile environment course as you kick off your app developer career. If you have any questions, you may contact your instructor using the course discussion board.